I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your name in Fortnite. Your display name in Fortnite is tied to your Epic Games account, so that's where we'll begin. You'll need to use a web browser to access your account settings, as this cannot be done directly within the game. It's super important to double-check you're logged into the right account to avoid any mix-ups. Let's get started with the first step. Once you're on the Epic Games website and logged in, head over to your account settings. Look for the General tab, which contains your personal details. There, you'll find your current display name. Simply click the small blue pencil icon right next to it. This action will open a new window where you can input your desired new display name. It's a straightforward process to update your identity. Before finalizing your new name, there are a couple of crucial rules to remember. Epic Games allows you to change your display name only once every 2 weeks, so choose wisely. Also, make sure your new name follows their community guidelines to avoid any issues. Once confirmed, your updated name will appear across all Epic Games platforms, including Fortnite, for everyone to see. After typing your new display name into the designated fields, you'll need to enter it a second time for confirmation. This helps prevent typos. Next, make sure to check the box indicating you understand the 2-week waiting period before another change is possible. Finally, click the Confirm button to save your new name. Your display name in Fortnite will update almost immediately, letting you jump back into the action with your fresh identity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.